Welcome to this video on how to permanently delete your Meta accounts, covering both Instagram and Facebook. We'll show you exactly where to go and what steps to take to remove your accounts forever. This is a simple guide for Instagram and Facebook users looking to delete their accounts. We aim to make this process clear and straightforward. We begin with Part 1, Facebook deletion. Let's start with the largest social network first. It's important to understand the difference between deactivation and deletion. Deactivation is a temporary break, allowing you to return anytime. Deletion, however, is a permanent action, removing everything including your photos, and you cannot recover the account. There are 3 steps to delete your Facebook account. Step 1. In Facebook, click your profile picture and select Settings and Privacy. Step 2. Open Account Center, find Personal Details, and select Account Ownership. Step 3. Choose Deletion, enter your password, and click the final Confirm button. Meta holds your data for 30 days after initiating deletion. You have this period to log in and cancel the deletion if you change your mind. After 30 days, Meta deletes everything forever. The Account Center combines settings for both Facebook and Instagram. Look for Personal Details, and then select Ownership and Control to manage your accounts. Now, we move on to Part 2, Instagram deletion. This section focuses on removing your photo grid and account permanently. Instagram also offers options: take a break to temporarily disable the account and hide your posts, or close forever to permanently remove your handle, followers, and all direct messages. The steps for Instagram deletion are similar. Step 1. Tap the 3 lines and go to Settings. Step 2. Open Account Center and tap Personal Details. Step 3. Select the account, then choose Delete Account to proceed. Expert tip: to verify your identity, Meta requires your password and sends a security code to your phone. Enter this code to verify, which is a key step that prevents hackers from deleting your account without authorization.